This may be the most important video of your life if you have the mindset to improve your financial status. Pay complete attention and watch till the end. Oh, don't just watch. Grab a pen and piece of paper and try to take notes. Increasing your income can be achieved through a variety of strategies, from optimizing your current work situation to diversifying income streams. Here are some effective methods you could consider. 1. Boosting income from your current job. Negotiate a raise. Prepare a case for a raise by listing achievements, added responsibilities, or market rates for your role. Show how your work contributes to the company's goals. Pursue a promotion. Take on additional responsibilities, seek mentorship, or improve specific skills needed for higher-level roles. Invest in skill development. High-income skills like coding, digital marketing, project management, or data analysis are in demand and can help you qualify for better-paying roles. Consider a job change. Often, changing jobs can lead to significant salary increases. Research what roles or industries might be a good fit and offer higher pay. 2. Create side hustles or part-time gigs. Freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer offer gigs in various fields such as writing, design, marketing, and tech. Freelancing can fit well with your schedule if you choose short-term projects. Consulting or coaching. If you have expertise in a specific area, you can offer consulting services, whether it's for business strategy, fitness, or personal finance. Tutoring. Online tutoring has become popular for subjects like math, science, English, and even niche skills like music or art. Delivery or rideshare services. Apps like Uber, DoorDash, or Instacart can be flexible ways to earn income during your free time. 3. Explore passive income options. Investments. Building a diversified investment portfolio with stocks, real estate, or bonds can provide long-term returns. Many apps and robo-advisors make it easy to start small and grow your investments over time. Real estate rentals. Renting out property, even a room or part of your home, can create a steady income stream. Platforms like Airbnb or VRBO can make this manageable even without owning additional property. Create online content. Platforms like YouTube, Medium, or social media can be profitable if you have engaging content. Affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and sponsored content can generate passive income over time. Sell digital products. Ebooks, templates, online courses, or even photos can create ongoing revenue. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable make it simple to sell your digital products. Use financial strategies to save and grow your money. Reduce debt. Minimizing interest on loans and credit cards by paying down high-interest debt will save money over time, indirectly increasing your disposable income. Automate savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account, investment account, or retirement fund. Compounding interest can grow your money even with small, consistent contributions. Explore tax benefits and credits. Optimize your tax return by claiming deductions, using tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks, and working with a tax professional if needed. 5. Consider entrepreneurship. Small business ideas. A small business, from selling handmade items to a consulting business, can grow your income and provide you with control over your financial future. Start by researching ideas and looking at low investment options. Online businesses. Drop shipping, print on demand, or creating a niche e-commerce store are ways to start an online business with relatively low startup costs. Buy an existing business. Websites like Flippa or BizBuySell allow you to buy already profitable small businesses or websites, which can be a faster way to start generating income than building from scratch. 6. Upskill in high-demand fields. Tech skills. Learning programming, data science, or web development can open doors to high-paying tech jobs or side gigs. Sales and marketing. Strong sales and marketing skills are valuable in most industries. Mastering digital marketing or copywriting can also help you freelance, consult, or launch your own business. Healthcare certifications. Short-term certifications in healthcare fields, like becoming a certified nursing assistant or EMT, can also provide opportunities for stable, higher-paying jobs. Experimenting with these strategies can help you identify the methods that fit your goals, lifestyle, and skills best. If you like this video, please like and share with others. Also, let us know your suggestions in the comments section. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel now.